Hello guys, welcome back to Will's Kitchen Table. Today I want to give you a really nice recipe. We're getting into the fall season, so I'm making a pumpkin spice muffin. You can have with your coffee or with your tea. So we're gonna jump right in and get this pumpkin spice muffin together. I'm just throwing this recipe together right now for the first. All right. So I just want to show you guys what I have. I have a 15-ounce can of pumpkin right there, puree, and 1 cup of brown sugar. I got a teaspoon of vanilla right here, and I also got a quarter of a teaspoon of cloves right there, quarter of a teaspoon of nutmeg. I got 2 teaspoons of cinnamon right in this bowl right here, and I got a quarter cup of yogurt right here, half a cup of oil, and I got 2 eggs, and I also have some pumpkin seed I'm gonna use. So I'll use half of this inside, and then I'll sprinkle some on top of the muffins as well. And I have 1 cup of flour plus a 3/4, it's almost 2 cups, a little bit shy, less than 2 cups. And I'm gonna use a pinch of salt in there, and I have 1 teaspoon of baking soda right there. So that's what we're working with. So we're just gonna jump right in and start mixing. I'll show you guys the process. Okay guys, so I also have a little bit of brown sugar here and flour that I mix up and some butter inside just to get a nice crumble. And I also put a little bit of cinnamon and nutmeg inside as well. Put on top of your muffin. So I'm just gonna get my sugar right into the bowl. This muffin gonna be really simple and easy, guys. Pour my oil right inside. That's how easy it is. And guess what? Eggs are going right in there. All right. All right. So I just use a whisk. I'm just gonna pour my vanilla inside here. Just keep on mixing. All right, my pumpkin is going right inside here. This is really simple, fast to make. All right. Mix that right in. Then we're gonna get yogurt inside. And that's just a quarter cup. And I use the vanilla flavored yogurt. I'm gonna get the spices right in here. It's already smells good. Wow. So I just sieve the flour right here, guys. So I add a pinch of salt to this and the baking soda, which is only a teaspoon. Just gonna add half at a time. Next half. Beautiful. And that's done mixing. What I'm gonna do right now, I'm just gonna add the pumpkin seed inside here. Just gonna put half in here. I think I'm gonna throw quite a cup of raisin right in there too, guys. Just a handful of raisin right in there. Perfect. That is done. You don't want to overmix it. All right, so we're gonna get our muffin pan ready. So I use a 2-ounce scoop right here. You get exact a dozen muffin out of this. 1 dozen muffins. Just as I predict. Exact. All right. So I'll just sprinkle my little crumble on top of here. Looking beautiful. So this in the morning, as I said, you have with your cup of coffee or your tea. Your choice if you want to have it in the afternoon. Just gonna put a little extra pumpkin seed on top of here. They are looking beautiful, guys. All right, so that's it. It's ready to go in the oven. The oven is at 350 and this should take around 20 to 25 minutes. Should be done. Just bring you guys a little bit closer, you can see it. So these muffins are done here, guys. They're looking lovely. I'm just gonna let these cool down and then I'll just break one so you guys can take a look at it. All right, they're looking beautiful. So these muffins are nice and cool. I'm just gonna break into one right now and show you guys. Look at that goodness inside. Beautiful. Just gonna try it. Wow. That's what I'm talking about. Flavor up. Wow. That's what a muffin's supposed to taste like. Delicious. The spices. Wow. All I need is a cup of coffee or a cup of tea with this. You're good to go. I just want to say thanks for watching again. Keep on liking and sharing the videos. Share the recipe with your friends. Keep on hitting the thumbs up. Drop a comment. Let me know you guys like this recipe and I'll catch you in the next one.